In front of me is Motorola ThinkPhone 25, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Passwords Manager. First of all, go into Settings and scroll down to click on this section called Passwords, Passkeys and Accounts. Then choose Open under Google and tap on Google Password Manager. Now, if you can't see any of those options, that means that you never added a password before. To make them visible, you need at least one, so to fix it, hit Settings at the bottom right corner. Now make sure Offer to Save Passwords option is on, log in into any app and hit Save in the pop-up. This way, your password will appear here and you'll be able to add any other one manually. To do it now, hit Add Passwords and input all of those informations. At the top, you can input any website, or click on Select App and tap on a chosen one. Then enter your username, email or phone number, passwords, and even take some helpful notes. When you're ready, hit Save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!